Meet David Carrier. At first glance, you might not expect him to be a pioneer on the cutting edge of the intersection between AI and law. But David already pioneered a novel approach to estate planning. And what he's accomplished with AI is worth your attention. It answers this question: how can I amplify my value proposition and drive more opportunities leveraging the new AI tools and capabilities that are emerging? And I'll tell you what David did. He didn't just answer the question, but he achieved remarkable results. He reduced his CAC from $1,000 as low as $2.55. And not only that, he gathered a whole rich trove of data that you can use to analyze and improve his communication strategy and thus attract more clients. And finally, he achieved a much higher quality lead. Now, there were 3 ways that David did this, and I share them with you so that you can imagine how you might be able to accomplish something similar. The first was this: he built an AI-powered agent for his website, and it's remarkable. Secondly, he built an AI-powered threat assessment that he can use to qualify leads and to serve his prospects better. Thirdly, he built a rich trove of data that powered new customer insights. All of this was built around the McLab's value prop methodology, which essentially states that the perceived cost of your offer subtracted from the perceived value of your offer equals its net force and leads to this opportunity. How can we leverage AI tools to improve the net force of our offer? I'm going to show you. Let's look at the first way. When I click on this button, you're going to David's homepage. And you'll notice on his homepage, there's a specialized set of tools. This is an AI agent trained in David's methodology, trained on his voice, that can answer a variety of questions. First of all, if we just were to click on one right now, how do I avoid probate? It's beginning to answer. And the answer is particular to David's method. Notice that. And also notice that it's driving people, both with this pop-up, which I won't click on yet, and this link to the top of his funnel, which is a workshop. But you can do more than this. You can click here, and you can ask a question.
Hey there.
Excuse me, my sister is ill, and I'm not sure that she's going to make it through the holidays. How do I get her estate in order?
I'm truly sorry to hear about your sister's condition. Let's focus on getting her estate in order right away. We'll start with the essentials. 1. What documents does she have now?
Can you see where this is going? Real answers, carefully crafted. And you may have noticed that the response began with empathy because we have programmed into the agent David's own empathetic mindset. And this is not a chat bot. This is a powerhouse tool that doesn't dispense legal information, but provides direction and guidance. And more, you can use various agents or apps to support it. This is an app that if I type in or ask a question, will produce the entire step-by-step plan that I might need to get ready with my estate. I won't spend time there yet because there's too much to show you. What I want you to walk away with is an understanding that chatbots are like flip phones. The world has changed. This is a tool. You can take it full screen and you can communicate with it. And David is finding value in that he can win new business, and his clients are finding a new way to experience his personal value proposition. We're going to come back to that. We're going to see the underlying data, but let me show you the second way. This is a click simple workflow. It's designed to accompany David speaking at an event. In fact, he had an event. I attended it last week. There were 1,200 registered prospects for his services. In the event, he delivered a message. In this left column, you'll see the essence of that message. And by the way, it wasn't written by David. It was written by his AI double who can write and think and speak like David. Then, as he spoke, he began to drive quality opportunities through what you see in this window. On the right side is an AI agent that's going to perform a series of services. Watch it happen in real time. You see this, chapter 2? Let AI analyze your risk. David sent traffic here. He was able to ascertain high quality leads in doing so. There's a message. This will take under 3 minutes. This is 3 questions that are asked at the beginning. Here's the first. When you're making a big decision, which of these feels most like you? Now, there are 4 answers, and the way you answer will give us an indication of your DISC profile. You'll see why that's important in just a moment. With 3 of these questions answered honestly, we can customize the responses. Next, someone just enters their name, their primary address. Now we have their phone number, the names and ages of their children, the value of their home, their real estate, their retirement plan, their savings. You click a button that said Analyze the Risk. Now, this is remarkable. AI agents are reading this information. They're running math calculations, and you'll see it coming in real time. They're determining the top 3 threats to your estate plan. After this stops, I'm going to take you up to the top so you can analyze the quality of the response. Right now, though, there's a key letter coming in, which we'll come back to. Let's go up to the top. So first, we have the information you entered. In this particular test example, there were 3 critical pieces: the family conflict, liquidity issues, probate, and legal delay. Now you'll see not only the top 3 threats, you'll see why they matter. You'll also see how they were determined. For instance, the agent calculated that 70% of the property is in real estate, so that there are liquidity threats. That was then followed by a score. And then there is a letter. This letter is written in a style that is most likely to convert, and it's based on your DISC profile. It's amazing. It will tailor itself so that you will resonate with its message, and it drives you back into his funnel. There's his phone number, there's his website, and we're just getting started. Imagine you're hearing David speak, and then you see a way to really analyze your own potential risk. It's compelling, and you're getting good leads. And the minute I clicked that pink button, all of this information was sent to the CRM and back to David's team. But I could move on and get on the path to peace of mind. When I click the second button, and there are only 4, something else is happening. Now it's developing a spouse and family conversation guide. It has a summary of what was discovered in the threat assessment. It lists what matters most to us, and this is being shaped by the DISC profile. It then gives you questions to discuss with your family, both with your wife and with your adult children. It gives you the key decisions and next steps. So now you've attended David's event, and he's given you a true, valuable way to think about your estate and its risk. Now he's given you a way to discuss the issues with your family. Finally, he's going to give you an attorney briefing. And the attorney briefing is designed for you to carry to your lawyer with all the information they need to address the threats and the problems. David is delivering more value. David is amplifying his value proposition. And the person who is experiencing this is getting high quality help at speed. This clearly drives more opportunities to his firm. But this is not all. There's one more way that you're going to want to see. If we go back to our notes, so we've seen the first way and we've seen the second, but the third way is even more fascinating. All during the interaction of David's prospects with his threat assessment or with the agent delivery system on his website, we have been listening, so to speak, to the conversations in a way that is productive and helpful for everyone, including the prospects. What you're seeing now is a transcript analysis. It is gathering intelligence on every potential lead. It will list them. If they submit a phone number, it will get that information. We can see that there have been 1,972 interactions and 1,048 users. There is no subscription offer, so that is 0. Now, I'm sharing a screenshot in order to make this easier. But if I close this screenshot and go to the next, you'll see that the MECLABS conversion sequence, C equals 4M plus 3V plus 2I minus F minus 2A, for those of you that know what I'm talking about, is analyzing for conversion levers that will improve the agent's interactions and the marketing collateral. And by the way, This becomes a self-optimizing loop, driving more and more performance and creating an increasing genius at the heart of the business. The third part of the report helps build a decision model for the ICP, the ideal customer profile. Every interaction refines our understanding of the customer and how they make decisions. And that is driving strategic value in addition to the tactical value that's being driven by the interactions themselves. When you put this all together, there is a capability emerging in David's business like no other law firm. And it doesn't matter if you're in private practice in tax or law, or you run an agency or a consultancy, or even another type of business. You can build this kind of powerhouse at the heart of what you're doing. It is the future. What's next for David? That's the last thing I'll share with you, but it's so interesting you're going to want to see it. Now, the custom AI agents built on the McLabs platform that are driving all of this value are being connected to a phone number. This enables you to literally have them talk with a prospect, onboard a prospect, and candidly, they can do a better job than most human beings, and they know every scrap of relevant information. You can also set them up to transfer the call, to set and check calendar availability, and do all the things you would need to drive more opportunities. David is doing something brilliant, and you can too. More to come. Stay tuned and watch how McLabs AI is working with people like David and perhaps yourself to drive value.